These are skill builders. In other classes, you would know them as BellWorks. This is things that you should know, things that I'd like you to practice on, things that might come up later that I'm going to see if you can do them right now. This guides me on what I can add in later and what I need to adjust. Usually in a classroom setting, you open them up while, like BellWork, you sit down and do it. I take roll, I do other things. It's just a quick check. I will make sure that you are attempting them. I use these as guided. They are always skill builder. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to check if you know some integer rules. So when you add two positives and you know that it stays a positive, and 5 plus 8 is 13. When you have 5 minus 8, you know to keep, change, flip, and you have a negative 3, or you see it as a positive and a negative. Unlike sign subtract, take sign of bigger looking number. Number 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 plus a negative 7, different signs. Subtract, 27 minus 5 is 22. Take sign of bigger looking number. The bigger looking number is 27. And I'm talking, when I say bigger looking number, it's without the sign. Number 5, keep, change, flip. So it becomes negative 5 minus negative 3 becomes plus plus. Negative 5 plus 3, different signs. Subtract, I get a 2. Take sign of bigger number, bigger looking number, which is the absolute value of the number, which is 5, so it's a negative 2. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times a negative 8, a positive times a negative is a negative, so it's negative 40. Or an odd number of negatives always gives you a negative. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7, keep, change, flip. Different sign, subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. Take sign of bigger looking number, it's a negative 5. Number 10, a negative times a negative is a positive, so it's a positive 24.